Let's shift focus and talk about Sunteck Realty. That stock is in focus. Very smart numbers this time round. Sumesh Mishra is joining us on a phone line. Sumesh, congratulations. First of all, I'd like to tell you that investors are enthused about the way complexion of the company has completely changed. At one time, only a premium real estate player, but now from affordable housing to mid and now even premium. And of course, numbers have started coming in. The stock is smartly higher by 6%. On the back of these numbers, what kind of run rate can investors expect from here on? You've clocked quite a healthy growth on profits and top line this quarter.
Thank you, Ajay, and very good afternoon to all the viewers. With regards to the run rate, I would say that with this new, foray into affordable housing, we complete the entire spectrum, right from super luxury to luxury, and then this particular now venture where we will be providing, premium. We are trying to move and break the conventional path by giving experience of luxury in aspirational homes, which will be under a new brand. So we already have 4 brands which caters to the various segments of buyers in the MMR region and other even outside Bombay under the JBJD model. But this one in particular completes the entire spectrum of real estate with a 5th brand that we are coming up for the aspirational house. So I think going forward with presence in various segments, right from the 30 to 50 crore rupees ticket size in Bandra Kurla complex, which even goes higher, and then there is the segment where in Goregaon ODC, where we are having a huge volume of 23 acres, where the ticket size starts from about 1.45 crore and goes up to 3 crore. And now under this aspirational segment, we will have again ticket sizes of around 45 to 50 lakhs and around that ticket sizes. So I think going forward, the run rate with new segments adding up will go only higher from here, and this completes the entire spectrum, as I said. So if you give me a minute to take you through the financial highlights.
Hi Sumesh, you spoke of Bandra, Kurla, Goregaon, etc. But that is clearly operations focused in the Mumbai market. Are there any plans for geographical diversification?
So right now, I think we are pretty much we are geared up to tap more opportunities available in the MMR region itself, and we have been focusing on and that has been our forte and our strength. So we will continue to look for such opportunities in the MMR region primarily. There have been few transactions in the past, but those have been purely on the joint venture and joint development models, where we have invested hardly any capital outside of Bombay. So in terms of our capital allocation, it will continue to happen in the MMR region, which is the Mumbai metropolitan.
Sumesh, you clocked close to 200 crore this quarter. If I were to talk about, just about a quarter left for this year, but FY19, what kind of top line number on a full year basis are we looking at?
So for the first 9 months, we have already clocked 681 crore rupees of top line, and this quarter was about 201 crore, which you rightly said. On the PAT side, we clocked about 60 crore rupees in this quarter, which was high by about 239% vis-a-vis last quarter, corresponding quarter last year. So last year, Q3 FY17, we had clocked about 18 crores. This year, we clocked about 60 crores for this quarter, and on a 9-month basis, it's already about 158 crores on a 9-month basis. Giving you numbers on the Q4 side would be slightly forward-looking, but I think we are very well in course, to clock good numbers as compared to last year. So we are already at 682 crore rupees to be precise for the 9 months, and the going looks good with some revenue being booked, more revenue being booked from the Goregaon projects, where we are moving very aggressively on the execution front. So we should be able to show good numbers for the 4th quarter as well.
Thanks very much for sharing with us your outlook. Sunteck Realty up a good 5% in trade. Manas Jaiswal still with us on the show. Manas,